Okay, now let's do the whole demonstration. This is the flax seed and seeds right there. Flax seeds, and they're not too big. It's like half of the grain, or much lesser than grain. So they're tiny right there. And I already put it inside right there. Not full, just little more than halfway up. All right, let's just demonstrate together. All right, I already did it. It comes out pretty good. That's right there. Yeah, look at that. Once you start struggling, slowing down the motor, that means it's already powdery right there. Ooh-ha, ooh-ha. That's awesome right there. I mean, this really defeated my expectation. I didn't expect to be so fine, so good, because those seeds are not that big as the what's called the coffee beans. So but yeah, it grabs from every corner and it grinds just as it's supposed to, or advertised. Like that, just pop it out right there and put it in here, and right here. See, I'm using the 4 blades. It comes with 2 removable containers. That one is with the 2 blades, the other with 4 blades. There's the base motor and the cover. You just put it in there like that and twist it to the right to click until it clicks, and then that's it. It's there. All right. Right there. And the cover is based on push and release. So it does not, I just got it, so I'm just testing. But I don't think it locks in. So you just push it and hold it down until it's ready. So it's good. In terms of the safety, it's good, standardized. So passing the, yeah. Good. So this is the hemp seeds. That's the collagen, chia, right there. So I'm not pretty good into seeds. And that's my aquarium. Look at that. My species. That's my elliptical machine. That's my robo. Another robo. It's very good. Look at that. Beautiful. It's my today's diet: beans and tuna. So that black beans, yellow tail fish, or yellowfin. Healthy diet. The tea. I'm making the tea. Look at that. There's like 30 type of teas in there. I'm not sure if that's good or bad. But the tea is usually good. Look at that. All sorts. You have all sorts. From gunpowder green tea to African rooibos and all sorts of herbal things. It's good. Good to go. The fruits, berries. Look at that. Berries. Vegetables. Look at that. No meat. See the fruits, lemon. I eat lemon, squeeze fresh lemon. 2-3 lemons per day. It's good. This is the only thing that gets away with not the Stein. Garlic. I eat 1 head of garlic a day. That's probably too much. Yeah. So, anyways, that's my diet. Aside this right here, I mix this with. I like them with yogurt, plain yogurt, homemade. All right.
Hello there. I just purchased this SHARDOR coffee grinder. Now, I'm not a coffee drinker. However, say you can do other ingredients. And what came with it is that you do get a little scoop, a little spoon, and a little brush to kind of get through what you need to get to, as well as the top to cover if you want to kind of keep or preserve that. You have 2 types of blades. This blade basically is used for like little vegetables, dry vegetables, or if you have like dried peppers or something to that effect. This is what they say used for your coffee grain, but also I have some dehydrated cheese, and I said, okay, well, let's see how well it does with the grinding of the cheese. Process is simple, easy to take out. It's like a turn and a click that basically goes on, and it tells you to fill it up, and it got your little markers on the inside. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Kind of like little markers. He'll tell you what their maximum line is. And then, of course, your push down top here. And all you got to do is real simple. It pushes it down. Now, as you can see, this is what your dehydrated cheese kind of looks like right now. Okay? So, I kind of push it in there. And it will tell you to only do it for maybe about 30 seconds. But I usually count down to like 10 seconds, so to speak, and look at the finery of how it is. But I generally will fill it in. Now you see how it looks going in. Let's see what it looks like once it's grind. So this is a cute little grind. I did a lot of research. Some of the grinders were just for coffee, but this is used for coffee, nuts, any dry product, spices. And so basically all you do, it says electric. As you can see, it does have a cord to it. And you just push down. I push it down the first time just to kind of get it. And then I count. If you notice the sound change, so I'm letting you know. And there you go. Very nice, fine powder. You see the difference? Awesome. So, if you're considering looking at and getting a food grinder, this is nice. However, my learning experience was that don't let the motor overheat, otherwise it wouldn't start. So if you run into that and you've been grinding and grinding consistently, then all of a sudden you try to push on it, and nothing happens, that means the motor has overheated. So kind of take a little breaks in between with that. So as stated, this is the results. and this is the original. Big difference. Hope this helps.
This is a review on the SHARDOR coffee grinder, model CG618. It comes with 2 bowls. This one for grinding dry ingredients like coffee and spices, and this one for grinding wet ingredients like cilantro, parsley, etc. These bowls are great options because you can take them, you could install them, take them out, wash it out. Unlike the competitor, where the bowl don't come out, so it's really hard to clean up in here, and this gets jammed a lot. This is my 3rd one that I had to replace, so I decided to get the SHARDOR. It seemed like a better option. Today I'm going to be grinding sugar into a fine powder and the rock Himalayan salt into a fine powder, and see how that goes. Using a cup with 2 blades, which is suitable for coffee grounds and spices and dry spices, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of coarse Himalayan salt, and I'm going to grind for 30 seconds. Okay, I grind for 30 seconds. Ooh. And see? All powder. It's like flour. Great. Now I'm going to grind granulated sugar, about 2 tablespoons. See, I'm using the double blade. And I'm going to grind for 30 seconds. Okay, it's been 30 seconds. Yeah, wow, look at that. Yep. Let's see. You like confectionery sugar. Yeah, there's still a little bit of granules, but this is pretty good. This is actually pretty good. Maybe if you grind for another additional 30 seconds, after letting the unit cool down for a few seconds, like maybe a minute or 2, you can get an even finer texture. Okay, that's my review. And I only had this thing for about 2 days, so it's my 5th time using it. So we'll see after 6 months. All right, take care. Bye.
There's vanilla powder in here, vanilla beans. I've had it since August 14th or 15th I purchased it. It is now December 2nd or December 3rd, I'm sorry. It's plugged in.
First use, the black part damaged. Second or third use, the steel got dents.